Welcome. Step into a world where ancient trees tower above and rare creatures roam, the Daintree Rainforest. This lush paradise is home to vibrant cassowaries, elusive tree kangaroos, and a symphony of tropical birds. Wander along mossy boardwalks, cross crystal-clear streams, and discover plants found nowhere else on Earth. Connect with indigenous guides who share stories and traditions passed down for generations. Savor exotic fruits like rambutans and custard apples from roadside stalls. Every moment here is a journey into nature's oldest secrets. Thanks for joining us again. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. FUNIVERSE.